Hello friends, let us solve this sum x plus 2 into x plus 4 into x plus 6 into x plus 8 is equal to 9. Here you can observe on left hand side common difference in each factor is 2. Due to this symmetry, we can solve this problem by using two methods. Method number 1 is average method and method number 2 substitution method. Actually you can solve this sum taking multiplication of each bracket. Finally we will get an equation of degree 4 and then you can solve that. But instead of straightforward method, we are using two methods. Method 1, average finding. Here average of these 2, 4, 6 and 8. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. 4 digits are there, so divide it by 4. So this is equal to 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 8, 20 divided by 4, and this is equal to 5. Hence, let x plus 5 is equal to a new variable y. This implies x plus 5 minus 3 is equal to y minus 3, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Hence, x plus 2 is equal to y minus 3. We can replace factor x plus 2 by y minus 3. Similarly here, x plus 5 minus 1 is equal to y minus 1. Subtracting 1 from both sides of this equation, but left hand side becomes 5 minus 1 is 4. X plus 4 is equal to y minus 1. This is second factor. X plus 5 plus 1 is equal to y plus 1. Adding 1 on both sides of this equation. So this gives x plus 6 is equal to y plus 1. Adding 3 on both sides of this equation, x plus 5 plus 3 is equal to y plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8, hence x plus 8 is equal to y plus 3. Hence given equation can be written as y minus 3 into y minus 1 into y plus 1 into y plus 3. This is equal to 9. Rewriting the factors y minus 1 into y plus 1 into y minus 3 into y plus 3 is equal to 9. We know a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So y minus 1 into y plus 1 can be written as y square minus 1, and y minus 3 into y plus 3 can be written as y square minus 9. This is equal to 9. Again we can take average of minus 1 and minus 9. Hence minus 1 minus 9 divided by 2 is equal to minus 10 divided by 2. This is equal to minus 5. Let y square minus 5 is equal to new variable t. Hence y square minus 5 plus 4. Adding 4 on both sides of this equation. This is equal to t plus 4, and here minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. Hence y square minus 1 is equal to t plus 4. Now subtracting 4 from both sides of this equation, y square minus 5 minus 4 is equal to t minus 4. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. Y square minus 9 is equal to t minus 4. Hence equation can be written as, this equation can be written as y square minus 1 you can replace by t plus 4, and y square minus 9 you can replace by t minus 4. Hence t plus 4 into t minus 4 is equal to 9. Again we can apply this expansion formula. So t plus 4 into t minus 4 can be written as t square minus 4 square, that is 16, is equal to 9. Take this minus 16 on this side. Hence, t square is equal to 9 plus 16. T square is equal to 9 plus 16 is 25. Hence t is equal to plus or minus 5. Hence t is equal to plus 5 and t is equal to minus 5. But our assumption is t is equal to y square minus 5. So when t is equal to 5, this implies y square minus 5 is equal to this 5. Y square is equal to, taking this 5 on this side, 5 plus 5, y square is equal to 10. Hence y is equal to plus or minus square root of 10. And now here t is equal to minus 5. Hence y square minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Transfer this minus 5 on this side. Hence we can write y square is equal to minus 5 plus 5, and minus 5 plus 5 is 0. Y square is equal to 0. Hence y is equal to 0. But y is equal to x plus 5 is our assumption put here. Hence x plus 5 is equal to plus or minus square root of 10. Hence x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 10. And from here x plus 5 is equal to 0. Hence x is equal to minus 5. So there exist three values of x which satisfies given equation. That three values are x is equal to minus 5 plus square root of 10 minus 5 minus square root of 10. And this is answer. Let us solve the same sum by applying second method. So method number 2, name of this method is substitution method. This problem looks like a difficult problem, but due to symmetry, solution of this problem is very simple. Solution: since we know 2 plus 8 is equal to 10 and 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So combining these factors like this, 2 and 8 means x plus 2 into x plus 8 into x plus 4 into x plus 6 is equal to 9. Now take multiplication of these two factors separately and multiplication of these two factors. Hence x into x square plus 2 plus 8 plus 10x plus 2 into plus 8 plus 16 into x into x square plus 4 plus 6 plus 10x plus 4 into plus 6 plus 24. This is equal to 9. Here in first bracket x square plus 10x, first two terms. In second bracket also first two terms are same. So let us assume x square plus 10x is equal to a new variable. Let x square plus 10x is equal to y. Then this equation can be written as y plus 16 into y plus 24. This is equal to 9. Again take multiplication of these two brackets, y into y square plus 16 plus 24, 40y plus 16 into plus 24, 384. This is equal to 9. Take this 9 on left hand side. Hence y square plus 40y plus 384 minus 9 is equal to 0. Simplify this. Hence y square plus 40y. 384 minus 9 is 375. This is equal to 0. Let us find factors of this 375 such that their sum is plus 40, and that factors are 15 into 25. So y square plus 15y plus 25y plus 375 is equal to 0. Take y common from first two terms and 25 common from last two terms. Hence y into bracket, remaining part is y plus 15 plus, taking 25 common, into bracket remains y plus 15. This is equal to 0. Here this bracket y plus 15 is taken common from these two terms. Y plus 15 into bracket remains y plus 25. This is equal to 0. But we know if a into b is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0, or both a and b are 0. Hence, applying this property of multiplication, for this we can write y plus 15 is equal to 0 and y plus 25 is equal to 0. Hence, y is equal to minus 15. Taking this 15 on right hand side, and here y is equal to minus 25, taking this 25 on right hand side of this equation. But our assumption is x square plus 10x is equal to y. Means replace this y by x square plus 10x, and this y also replaced by x square plus 10x. Hence, for this we can write x square plus 10x plus 15 is equal to 0, and for this x square plus 10x plus 25 is equal to 0. This equation is quadratic in x. This equation is also quadratic in x. Hence applying this quadratic equation formula, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. Then solution of this equation is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Same formula we have to apply to solve this equation also. Hence, for this equation, x is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 10 square minus 4 times a is coefficient of x square, which is 1, c is constant term, which is 15, divided by 2a, a is 1. Hence x is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 10 square is 100 minus 4 into 1 into 15, 60, divided by 2. Hence x is equal to minus 10 divided by 2 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 60, 40, divided by 2. Since 40 we can write 4 into 10. Hence square root of 40 becomes 2 root 10. Hence x is equal to minus 10 upon 2 is minus 5 plus or minus 2 root 10 divided by 2. Hence x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 10. This gives two values of x. Let us solve this equation. X is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 10 square minus 4 into 1 into 25 divided by 2 into 1. Hence x is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 4 into 1 into 25 is 100 divided by 2. Hence x is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 100, 0 divided by 2. Hence, x is equal to minus 10 divided by 2. Hence, x is equal to minus 5. There exist three values of x which satisfies given equation. But degree of given equation is 4. But here, magic of this problem is there exist only three solutions of this equation. And that three solutions are x is equal to minus 5, comma minus 5 plus root 10 and minus 5 minus root 10. This is answer. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.